I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious fruit salad that you and your family will love. First of all, it's got very few ingredients. I have grapes, a mandarin orange, cashew nuts. Now, if you're not crazy about cashew nuts, you can always have peanuts, walnuts, any kind of nuts you enjoy. And I have yogurt. If you don't want yogurt in your fruit salad, you can always use sour cream. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm going to cut up the grapes, okay? I'm gonna cut up the grapes like this. And actually, I'm gonna cut them up in 4 sections. So let me go ahead and just cut these grapes up. Okay, now that I've cut up all the grapes into at least 4 sections, each grape should be 4 sections, that way the chunks aren't too big. Now I'm going to peel this mandarin orange. All right, now that I peeled the mandarin orange, now you just section it off like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut each section, like I'm gonna cut this into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Okay, now I chopped up the grapes and the mandarin oranges. Now I am going to put some cashews in there. Now, I like to rinse these cashews off because I don't like the salt in the fruit salad. Okay, now I am chopping up, I'm breaking up. Okay, now I am breaking up the cashews into little pieces. Now I'm going to put the yogurt in here. If you're just making this for one person, you may only need 2 scoops of yogurt. Now I'm going to mix it up. Well, there you have it. Fruit salad. Okay, let me taste this. It is so delicious. You and your family will love this. Thanks so much for watching. And leave me a comment. Let me know how your fruit salad turned out. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.